Like the flyers, the mechanics work flat out under the eye of an officer who has nothing but praise for his men.
We have here some of the most professional mechanics you've ever seen in your life. The work they do is good, fast, and, well, as you can see by the record, when an airplane is hit, it doesn't stay on the ground long. We fix it, put it back in the air, and we keep good airplanes in the air. These people that you're looking at right now and everybody else, they're mechanics. They're wonderful. They'll work 24 hours a day, and if there was 28 hours in a day, they'd be glad to work 28 also.
The scramble call comes anytime. When it does, the duty crew has 4 minutes to be airborne. The rest, 10 minutes from quarters to takeoff. Apart from being the eyes and ears of the ground forces, the helicopter crews also serve as their hip pocket artillery. So much so that every time there's trouble, the South Vietnamese ground forces whistle up the helicopter. In one recent battle, a squadron of Vietnamese tanks came up against small arms fire from the Viet Cong. Instead of wading in themselves, they called in the helicopters. And in the helicopters went. For the crews, this is just routine. But what are the feelings of a pilot in action?